How to make a gay in infinite craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your game. After that, add water to it on board, then add earth to it, and this way you would be able to get plant. Now you need to add fire to this particular plant and you would get smoke. Now add plant on this smoke and you would get incense. Now we need to add smoke to this incense, so simply search for a smoke and add it, and this way you would get prayer. So you know very well where we are heading. Now after that you need to add incense to this prayer, and for that we will just simply search for it and add it on prayer. You get angel. Now we need to add smoke on this angel, so simply search for it, then add smoke and it would become devil. Now we need to add angel on this devil, so let's add it and we get human. After that we need to add human on this one, human to human, so we add it and it becomes a family. Now we need to add a human to this family and just simply drag and drop it. You get baby, and after that we need to search for baby and add it on baby and we get a child. Now add baby on this child and we get teenager. Now add a child on this teenager, so let's search for child and add it on teenager, so we get adult. Now after that just get back and add fire on your board, add another fire on top of it, you get volcano. Now add another fire and we get lava. Now let's cool down this lava with water and we get stone. After that you need to add more lava on this stone, so simply search for lava and add it on a stone. You get obsidian, and now we need to add stone on this obsidian, so we search for a stone and add it. We get a blade. Now we need to combine this blade with a human, so we will search for human and add it on blade. This way we will make a warrior. Now we need to search for obsidian and provide it with warrior and we get Aztec. Now after getting Aztec we need to search for obsidian and add it on Aztec. We get sacrifice. Now who sacrifices? It's the family, so we search for family and click on this option of sacrifice, and this gives us love. Now we need to add this love to adult and we get marriage. Now after that get back and search for water and search for more water and we get lake. Now provide winds on this lake and we get storm, and this way we get to provide some more water on this storm and we get rain. After that search for rain and add it on rain. We get rainbow, and you know very well where we are heading with rainbow and marriage. So here we are, we finally get the gay on infinite craft, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.